Hello, my digital planning friends. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be digital planning for the month of April, and we're going to use this new sticker kit for bees that I just created. If you're new around here, my name is Brandi Reed. I'm with 3 Nail Faith, where I create digital planners, digital stickers, and devotionals for Christian women. So let's look at this kit. We've got some bees and honey. We've got our verses. We have 4 verses. There's the 4th one. It's this like golden brown black theme on this one. And here's our washi down here. And then we've got some extra boxes up there. This is our 2nd page and our 3rd page. I love this little bee happy. And these are the little extra doodly things that come with it. These are date covers if you would like to use those. I'm not going to use these this month. And then here's some scripture-y and sayings. So that is our kit. Now, not only is this our kit for this month, but it's a freebie. It's my birthday month, so I thought we would give away a free kit. So this entire kit is for free. It's in the Digital Planning Christian Hub, customer hub that we have. The link for that will be down below. Okay, so let's get started on our planning. I'm going to go ahead and close that out. I like to use the Elements collection when I am planning. So I'm going to open my, I believe it's this one. Yes. My bee out. And I probably did that too fast. You may have wanted to know how I did that. I've already loaded this into my Elements. So I touch the Elements button, find it down here in my scrolling. Then this box here with the line, you're going to tap that and that pops it open into a new window. And then what I do is I slide it over until there's 3. And then I use my 2 fingers and pinch in. And that's going to make my, my screen on the left side smaller. Okay, so we got April started, or that's what we're going to be doing today. Let's see. We'll start off. I always like to start off with the days. So I'm going to go ahead. You tap, hold, and drag over. And I'm just going to go ahead and drag these all in real quick. And then I'm going to zoom in to make it Friday. Wonder why they got out of order, but they did. All right, again, we're going to use our 2 fingers, push down and open up, and that's going to make our screen larger. Now, I always like to work with the photo tool. Tap that, and I'm on the photo tool, so that way you have some extra controls. With the Elements tool, you don't really have the extra controls where you can, you don't have this extra one here. So I'm just going to try to make that as close as I can. I don't really worry too much about it being perfect. Just close. As long as it fits in the box, I'm okay. Little white doesn't bother me. Okay, I'm going to skip over that one for just a sec. Get this guy in. Alrighty. There we go. All right, so we've got our week cover, on. Now, let's see, do I want to add, we've got a whole blank here, a blank here. I'm probably going to leave that one alone, but I do want to cover probably those 2. Let's see if I can find the washi. I'm going to drag this one in. I think I might use that right here. Tap that in for just a second, and then we're going to bring this one in. And see how another reason I don't like to use the Elements tool on these is because you see how wonky it comes in. So I always like to use, it just straightens out so much easier with the photo tool. Okay, straighten that one. There. Not sure that I'm going to keep that, but we're going to start with that anyway. Okay, so let's pull in. Do I want to put anything on the top yet? I don't know. We might come back to the top. All right. So I was meaning the top up here. Did I want to decorate that one on the top there? I kind of like this against that. Let's actually see what that. We're going to copy that. Paste. Let's see if we can. No, I definitely don't like that. Okay. It just stretches out too wonky, in my opinion. All right, let's go ahead. I always like to start on my Sundays. All right, so I need my church because we go to church on Sundays. And I need the trash can and my planner. There's my trash can. I think I saw my planner was at the very end. Yep, there's my planner. Okay, so we're gonna copy and paste. I just like to make things just a little bit easier, and I don't really like, let's move that down there. Recopy and paste. Okay, then we have a coffee chat. So I'm going to need my coffee cup. And then I'm going to want a flag too because it's my coffee chat day. Let's see, there's my coffee cup. I have some friends that I get together with every Monday morning on a Zoom call to chat. And we call it the coffee chat. And let me see, where are they? All right. Which color do I want to use? I don't think I want to use black. Let's see what that one looks like. All right, now as you can see, when I tap off, it's going to leave the coffee cup in the back, and I don't want that. So I'm going to tap on it, and I'm going to go to Arrange and Send to the back, and that automatically sends that to the back. I'm going to move that up just a little bit and over. Now I'm going to come over and write Coffee Chat. And move that in there. Yeah, I like that. Okay, so we're going to, again, copy. I don't know if your months are a lot the same, kind of like mine are. Most of my days are about the same for week-wise, I guess you could say. So that's why I just make sure I copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste. Nothing goes on Tuesdays. On Wednesdays, we have our Bible study. So I want to find my Bible. There's my Bible. We have Bible study on Wednesday nights. Okay, payday. Let's see. We don't have much going on this month, so it's kind of a slow month. Let's see. Payday is on the 4th and the 18th this month. So we're going to copy it on the 4th and paste on the 18th. Then we have, I need to find my pay bill. Let's see. I think I'm going to use, we're going to use this brown. I haven't used much brown on it yet. And then copy, paste. All right, so now we need my weekend There it is. Weekend. There we go. And we need family time. I think that's at the top. And we need something super special for the 6th because that is my birthday. So not the happy anniversary, I need the happy birthday. It's my birthday. So definitely need to have that in there. But the weekend and family time are going to get copied and pasted in. And I don't really think we have much of anything else in the way of activities this month. This month is kind of a slow month, which I don't know about you guys, but I like slow months every once in a while. I know May is going to be crazy with my daughter's graduation, so we'll have a lot for that. Let's see. I want to add a little bit more decoration in, though. I would definitely want to use some of these. And I want to put, I don't know why my GoodNotes took away some of the stickers. Where am I? I'm looking for, there's what I'm looking for. I think I'm going to use the yellow prayer list. Okay, I'm going to use my thing there, and then I want to pull in one of these scriptures. I'll pull in this one here, and again use the there, and then I want to put, let's see, what do we have up here that I can use? Oh, I really wanted him. Okay, I may have to pull up the other one, since for some reason my GoodNotes keeps doing this where it takes away some of the stickers for some reason. We'll just use him because he's pretty cute too. Okay. And the other thing that I like to do is I like to have my scale for the beginning of the month and the end of the month, because I'm trying to track that. Copy, we'll put the other one down here. And let's see, what else do I need? I don't know, I kind of like how simple this has been laid out this month. Simple yet sweet. Yeah, I think I'm going to finish with that this month. So there's our month. I think I just decided to leave at the top empty this month and just go with that. I think that's sweet. So again, this kit is free for you if you join our customer hub. If you're in our customer hub already, it's sitting there waiting for you as a birthday gift from me to you. So you have a blessed day. Make sure you, if you liked this video, hit the subscribe button and make sure that way you don't miss any of our videos, and hit that thumbs up because it really helps our channel out. And I just hope you have a wonderfully blessed day. Bye-bye.